Luna, we have a new guest on the show. This is Sheila. Sheila, Luna, are you going to greet our guest?
JazzPurr, I want to thank you for having me on your show today. Luna, are you scared? Don't worry, I'm for real. Luna, why are you being a big chicken today?
Luna, what do you call a zombie who writes music? A decomposer. You look like you took dead inside way too literally.
Luna, Sheila really shook you up, huh?
Luna, you hiss like you're dangerous, but I can tell you run from your own shadow.
Thanks for being on our podcast, Sheila.